In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the brightness of your keyboard on a Mac, including how to turn it off completely. To get started, click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. In the search bar, type Keyboard and select the top option. Here, you'll see a toggle to automatically adjust the keyboard brightness in low light. You'll also find a slider to control the brightness manually. To turn it off completely, slide it all the way to the left. To increase the brightness, slide it to the right. Additionally, you can adjust how soon the keyboard backlight turns off after inactivity using the option provided below the slider. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.